Hi, this is Chad Newsom from PL Custom Emergency Vehicles, back today to continue our How It's Made video series. Today we're going to look at the electrical subassembly. At the core of a PL Custom ambulance is the electrical cabinet, responsible for distributing power to every electrical component in the body. From the interior and exterior lighting to compartment and entry door locks, power inverters, battery chargers, anything that needs power originates from this area. Within this cabinet, we have the electrical board and all of the standard and optional components that require power. The subassembly department is responsible for wiring and configuring each of these electrical boards to the particular vehicle's specs. It all starts in the subassembly parts room, where work orders outline every piece of equipment needed and are sorted into bins for each job. There can be dozens of individual components needed for a single job, so organization at this stage is imperative. Utilizing the component lists and electrical system schematics, the wiring that connects to the console control panel begins to take shape. Each button or switch that sits within the cab of the ambulance is wired and zip-tied to maintain uniformity and ease of installation later down the line. Wiring each individual component is a delicate process that takes a skilled hand to maintain quality. This particular standard component being wired is a low voltage alarm system to alert the driver if the voltage goes below a certain parameter, which will trigger a light and alarm to go off. Once the console components are wired and connected, the work starts on the electrical board. The board is labeled to indicate different groupings of vehicle functions, with the as-built electrical schematics provided in the owner's manual for each vehicle. Clearly labeled upfitter connections for hot, ground, and switched are provided for upfitting new electrical components. Here we have a board that's nearing completion, with almost all wires properly connected and routed to connect with the sub-harnessing already installed in the vehicle. Utilizing the electrical schematic, we are able to quickly and efficiently install and wire all components. The wires are all color-coded and labeled for ease of circuit identification and function. Once the board has been completed, it moves over to stage 5 on our ambulance line to be installed in the front of the ambulance body just behind the cab. Once the board is secured in place, work begins on connecting the ambulance's previously installed electrical harnesses to the board. Features like the emergency lighting, interior lighting, power cot connections, inverters, battery chargers, heating and cooling control modules, all are mounted and connected. The interior lighting can now be installed, as well as other electrical components for the vehicle. Electrical system operation and function checklists can now begin at this point. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for other videos outlining the PL Custom Emergency Vehicles manufacturing process.